Hello, this is Gabriela, and I'm looking at the next week planetary positions. What can we expect for the next week, the last few days of 2025? So first of all, we can say the inner wheel is this today, and the outer wheel is the next week, Saturday. So what we have now in the sky, we have Sun, Venus, Mars, and Juno in Capricorn, Mercury in Sagittarius, and the Moon at 0 Aries. So I told you, or I wrote in the blog that when the Moon goes into Aries, it will bring in new energy, and this we will see today for our market and on Monday for the world markets. But what else can we see from the other planets? We can see that to this stellium that I marked here in violet or pink or whatever, we have the Sun, Venus, Mars, and Vesta in Capricorn, and also the asteroid Apophis. Now this is a nasty asteroid. You can read about it, that it will conjunct Earth in 2029. Look it up in Wikipedia. I guess science will be forwarded so that we will be able to shut it down or to make it move to another orbit. I don't know. Anyway, I don't think it will collapse into the Earth. And what we have during the week, we will have Mercury joining all this stellium. So Mercury will leave its detriment when it is in Sagittarius, and it will go into Capricorn also, and we will have 4 planets in Capricorn and Juno. Now Capricorn is a cold and dry planet, and when Venus is there, Venus rules Forex. It is not, we will not, I don't think we will see a very volatile market in the Forex market. Nevertheless, put your stops very tight, because we have other planets also that contribute to the rally. As you can see that Mars, the planet that pumps up the markets, is exalted very, very strong in Capricorn. Maybe this is the reason that the end of the year markets rally, and the Mars will be there the whole week. Mars is also out of bound. You can see here all these planets are out of bound. That means very volatile trade. We also have the Lilith out of bound, so this is manipulation, lies, and all the bad things that Lilith can bring. What else do we have? We have the fixed stars that we also have to watch. Mercury will pass through the unfortunate fixed stars that are between 24-27 degrees and again 28-30 degrees in Sagittarius. Then we have the Capricorn stellium, the 4 personal stars and the Sun. And these degrees have unfortunate fixed stars, so whenever they will touch these degrees, better watch your steps. And we have Uranus, which is major, moving backwards in retrograde from 28 to 27, and we have exactly at 27 degrees a bad fixed star under the name what is it called? Vertex 2759. So this is what we can see for the next week. We can also see that if we had Saturn, Neptune 1 degree apart, the Neptune will move away and it will be 3 degrees apart. Okay, Jupiter will still be in retrograde. Saturn moves only 1 degree, and Uranus moves a few minutes also in the retrograde position. So the main issue here is Uranus moving onto a bad fixed star, and personal planets making a stellium in Capricorn, which inclusive Mars can happen only once in 2 years. So it will be an extremely important year, this one. Okay, good luck.